Green apple.
Crack it.
We got the whole line of Vortex Fritos.
They come in peach, lemonade.
Oh, I smell that green apple. See, Carmela, you can take a cue from Warhead, okay, baby? This is what green apples smell like.
I'm shocked she didn't pick the blue one because she loves blue.
I dug my hand in there and just picked the first one that came out.
She loves the blue.
Smell test?
Oh yeah, that smells like green apple. Yep. I have a feeling it's going to be very sour. This is our lineup. 1, 2, 3, 12.
It really ain't that sour.
No?
But it's good.
Oh, no, it's not. But it has like a slight sour taste from the Warheads. But that's not bad, though. If you've ever stuck your Warheads in water to like get all the sour off and then you like put it in your mouth, that's how this tastes, but with more flavor. That's not bad. I'd buy these again.
I'd buy these.
I'd buy it again.
You gotta pick next?
Go for it.
Limon.
That's good.
You expecting it to blow up, aren't you?
Yes.
I didn't drop it that hard. It's just a little sizzle, sizzle, pop, pop. Not a big fan of that smell, but I do smell lemon. It's that bad, huh? Yeah.
This kind of tastes like, smells like medicine.
I'm not a fan of that smell, but I smell a hint of lemon in there.
1, 2, 12. I'm having a dilemma.
I don't know what that tastes like.
I don't either.
And I tried it twice. I'm not sure if I know what that tastes like. Because it's not lemon.
Mm-mm. It's not. I don't fucking know what this is. But it's not lemon. It's not lemon at all. What is it?
Gas.
I don't know. I don't freaking know. I don't know. I can't even tell you. It's black cherry. That's watermelon.
Oh, I was saving this one last because this is the one that came out the last.
And blueberry.
This is the one that made me buy all of them. Because I saw when this one got released. Please tell me it smells good.
It smells like blue candy.
That's a bad thing.
It smells like blue candy. 1, 2, 12. This tastes like nasty blue candy.
I wasn't gonna say nothing. I was gonna let you formulate your own opinion. But if Blue Candy and Robitussin had a baby, it's that can. And I tried it twice. I tried it twice to make sure I wasn't tripping because my favorite is blue. I thought that one was gonna be good.
That's not good, Blue Candy. I'm highly disappointed. I don't like you. You are the worst, Link. Goodbye. You along with that lemon. That didn't taste like lemon.
Black cherry.
That smells like medicine.
Well, most cherry does. Oh yeah, I'm not trying that one. I'm not trying that one first. Made my ear itch.
Smells like medicine. Please don't taste like medicine.
Smell like straight up Robitussin for real. Got a cold? Drink this. Now I don't want to try because I see your facial expression. Mama said try twice.
No. You are the weakest link.
It's worse than the blue one.
Goodbye. Oh, that was terrible. Ugh.
This video end up with vomit now. I wish it would come back out.
Baby!
It's still in the back of my throat.
That was scary. That was scary. That was like a demon just took over my body. I want to cry.
That cherry one, your body wanted that cherry to escape. Get thee behind me, Satan. You must flee.
Oh my God, that was terrible. Okay, I hope these two taste better. Because at this point, we have 3 bags. 3 bags. Because that one was the only one that was actually quite nice.
At least I don't have to unstack this one, so we don't have to worry about it blowing.
Oh, I'm scared.
This one might taste good. Excuse me. That one might taste good. Not a strong watermelon flavor, but it's
It's there.
It's there.
You want to go first?
Oh yeah, you tried that nasty stuff first.
I tried that one.
This might actually be
quite good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good.
Her favorite.
What? And we're patched. Now this tastes bomb as shit. That goes to the good pile.
Last but not least,
What we all came here for.
the beach that has just been released.
Because she's excited about it. It smells like medicine. Take a sip.
Well, I gotta see if it first if it smells like medicine.
It smells like medicine to me. Her face is very confused.
Wouldn't yours be?
This bitch tastes like tea.
I don't know how to feel about that one.
I don't like it.
The peach soda. About that.
It tastes like tea. Like Georgia peach tea. No, I'll stick to this one.
Green apple it is.
You go in their disgusting pile. Your favorite?
I think it's kind of cheating though. My mouth's still popping. If I'm drinking a green apple soda before a caramel apple kid. Can I smell the container? The smell in this is just...
The smell was nothing nice. But this tastes good.
We'll keep the cotton.
Tastes good. It does taste good. Now because I like y'all, I'm going to see if I can get out a burp for y'all before I end this. And then clean this up.
Chug. You finna chug that one?
Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time.